Hello children, today let us solve one sum on areas of polygons. In this example sum, in trapezium ABCD, this is a trapezium ABCD, follow the figure. AB is parallel to CD. Here AB, this AB side is parallel to CD side. These two sides are parallel. I am showing with an arrow mark. Next, if AB is 25 centimeters, AB is given, this side down side is 25 centimeters and CD is given 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. The lengths of non-parallel sides, the non-parallel sides are AD and BC. These two are the non-parallel sides for the trapezium. Each is 14 and 13 respectively. Find the area of trapezium ABCD. You need to find the area of this trapezium ABCD. For that, first we need a construction. What is that? In this trapezium, you need to draw a line which is parallel to AD through C. So, let it be EC. EC is the line which is parallel to AD. So, if you observe, this AD is parallel to EC according to our construction, and also in the question itself it is given this line is parallel to this line. AB is parallel to CD. So if you understand, AEC is a parallelogram because as opposite sides are parallel. Now, if AD is 14, EC is also 14 because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. In the same way, if CD is 10 centimeters, AE should be 10 centimeters. Okay, AE is 10 centimeters. What would be the remaining part of this bigger line AB? EB is equal to, next you write EB is equal to 25. Total AB minus AE. So 25 minus 10 gives you 15 centimeters. So this line inside triangle is 15 centimeters. The base of the triangle is 15 centimeters. Now if we want to find the area of the trapezium, for the area of trapezium you have parallel sides. AB is there, CD is there given. Only the thing we need to find is height of the parallelogram. You don't have the height. So for finding this height, what you have, this height is same as height for this triangle also. So what does we draw a perpendicular CM perpendicular to the AB line. So this perpendicular line we need to find, which is same as H for the trapezium also. So let us find H for the triangle first, and then we use that same H for finding the area of trapezium. So now coming to how to find this area, this H, height of the triangle. For that you need to find first area of the triangle. Area of triangle BCE. So area of triangle BCE. Here you have three sides of the triangle. What are the three sides of the triangle? You have EC 14, you have BC 13, and you have EB also or BE is equal to 15 centimeters. Using these three sides, you need to find the area of the triangle BCE. To find the area of triangle BCE, let us use the formula, Heron's formula for finding. Whenever three sides are given, generally to find the area of triangle, we use Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula says? Heron's formula is, I am writing the formula here. Heron's formula is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What are these S and A, B, C? S is nothing but semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter. What do you call it as? Semi-perimeter. How do you find this semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter means sum of the three sides by 2. What are the three sides of this triangle? 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2 gives you 42 by 2, which is equal to 21 centimeters. So you got S value 21 centimeters. What are ABC? The three sides of the triangle are only ABC. Now let us apply the Heron's formula to find the area. Area of triangle what is the triangle name? BEC. Triangle BEC. Triangle BEC is equal to square root of S into, S means 21 into S minus A. 21 minus 13, let A be 13, and 21 minus 14. Next 21 minus 15. These are the three sides we are subtracting from S. Now coming to is equal to square root of 21 into 21 minus 3, 8. 8 into 7 into 6. Now coming to, let us find the square root of this. Without multiplying, let us first factorize the internal numbers. 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 7 can be written as 7 itself because it's a prime number. And next 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now pairing up the same numbers to find the square root, let us pair the numbers which are same. 7 and 7 I'll write together. 3 and 3 I'll write together. And 2 2's I'll write together. And one more pair of 2 is there. I'll write it together. Now finally 7, 3, 2, 2. These are in pairs. So let us write one from each. That gives you the square root of the number. 7 into 3 into 2 into 2 gives you 84. Okay. Now coming to, this is the area of the triangle with the three sides given. Now after finding the area of the triangle, now we know another formula for area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? You know better. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So use this formula and find h from this. So we know just now found the area of triangle, which is equal to 84, which is equal to half into base. Base of the triangle, you observe once again the picture. What is the base here? EB. EB is the base. Its value is 15. Now let us write here 15 into h. We don't know. Let it be h. Now finding h value from this, you will get, sending 2 and 15 to the other side, we will have 84 into 2 by 15 gives you h. Now this is equal to, I'll write 84 168 by 15, which is equal to h. So now you can keep it as it is. This 168 by 15 is height for trapezium also. We got, actually this is a height of a triangle. In this figure, height of triangle and height of trapezium are same. So height of trapezium is also, you can take as same thing. Height of trapezium is equal to 168 by 15 centimeters. Keep it like that. Now let us find the area of the trapezium. In this trapezium you have the two parallel sides also. Parallel sides. One of the parallel side is downside. Let us see the picture once again. Now coming to the picture. See the parallel sides. One is AB and one is CD. One is 25 and another is 10. These are the two parallel sides. So parallel sides, let it be A is 25 and let another parallel side B is 10 centimeters. Now coming to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to, what is the formula of area of trapezium? Yes, half into h into A plus B. So substituting the values you have here, area of trapezium is equal to half into h value just now we got 168 by 15 and into A plus B are 25 plus 10. Now coming to simplification is equal to half into 168 by 15 into 35. Now coming to cancellation, 5 table, 5 3s are, 5 7s are. Okay, and can cancel this 3 1s are, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Now your answer will be 56 into 7 in the numerator and in the denominator 2, which is equal to finally 196 centimeters square. So in this way you have to find the area of trapezium. This is your final answer. Thank you children. This is your example sum of trapezium.